families, I hope everyone is having an awesome weekend. I just wanted to jump on really quick and do our phonics video for this week. We've been learning about digraphs and we're continuing to learn about more digraphs this week as well. Remember that digraphs have two letters, digraphs make one sound. Alright, so we're going to be looking at digraphs, and it's when two consonants come together and they make one sound. So listen to me as I say these words, and I want you to tell me what sound you hear in these words. Ready? Whistle, whisper, why. What sound do you hear that's the same in these words? I hear the w sound. Can you say it with me? Ready? W. Good job. So the digraph that we hear is actually WH. The two consonants, when they come together, they make one sound, and the sound they make is W, as in whistle. So when we see this card, we're going to say WH, whistle, W. Good job. All right, listen to me as I say these words. Phone, sphere, phonics. What sound do you hear that's the same in these words? Yeah, you hear the f sound. Say it with me. Good job. So that's the digraph PH. It makes the f sound kind of like an F, but it's not. It's our digraph PH. So when we see this card, we're going to say PH, phone, f. Let's try it again. Ready? PH, phone, f. Good job. All right, listen to me as I say these words. Truck, duck, pick. What sound do you hear that's the same in these words? Yeah, you hear the k sound. The two letters that make this sound is CK. Just like in this card, we see CK, truck. CK comes together and they make one sound. They just say k. Good job. All right, let's learn our last one. We have 4 digraphs this week. All right, night, knob, knit. What letters or what sounds do you hear that's the same in these words? You hear the n, n. So it's actually, I don't have a card for it, but the two letters that make that sound is K, N. In this case, our K is silent. We don't hear it at all. Sometimes we call it a ghost letter because it's like it's not even there. And we just hear N make the noise N, like in knob or night or in knit. Awesome job. Let's go ahead and get started with coding our words. All right, here's our first word. All right, here's our first word. We're going to look for our consonants and vowels, and then we'll code it. So I see I have a consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. I know that when two consonants come together and make one sound, that's a digraph. So I'm going to code our digraph with a box, just like that. I is going to say I, so I'm going to put a breathe over top, and P says P. Let's go ahead and sound out our word. W, I, P, W, I, P. Whip. The word is whip. As you can see, this had 3 sounds. Even though it has 4 letters, WH makes one sound because it's a digraph. Let's move on to the next word. All right, let's look at this word. All right, I see I have a consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. I see I have 2 consonants, so I know it can either be a digraph or a blend. I know that GR is a blend because we're still going to hear both sounds in this word. So I'm going to circle it because we're still going to hear G, A is going to say ah, so we're going to have a brief over top to tell us that it's going to say the short vowel sound A. And then I see that I have 2 consonants. We just learned about PH and how those 2 consonants come together and they make one sound. They say F. So I'm going to code it with a box because remember, digraph has 2 letters. Digraph makes one sound. Let's go ahead and sound out our word. Ready? G, A, F. G, A, F. Graph. The word is graph. Awesome job. It had 4 sounds because we still heard G, A, PH comes together and they make one sound. Awesome job. All right, let's move on to the next word. All right, here's our next word. I see we have a consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. I see that we have a U, and it's a short vowel, so it's going to say And then I have CK. It's two consonants that are coming together to make one sound. So I'm going to code it with a box. Our C is going to be silent. We are only hearing the K make a sound in this word. And so let's go ahead and sound out our word. Ready? D, k, d, k, d, k, duck. The word is duck. It had three sounds. We heard the d, k, CK came together and they made one sound. Awesome job. The word is duck. All right, almost done. Two more words. All right, I see that we have a consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, KN, two consonants. They're coming together and they're making one sound. So I will code it as a digraph. We do not hear the K, so I'm going to cross it out. I is going to say I because it's a short vowel. T says T. All right, let's go ahead and sound out our word. Ready? It, it, knit. The word is knit. We heard three sounds in that word. KN came together and they made one sound. That's our digraph. I says it, T says T, it, knit. Awesome job. All right, one more word, folks. We're almost done. All right, here we go. All right, let's go ahead and code our words. We have a consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. WH says W. Two letters come together, they make one sound. Two consonants come together and they make one sound. And so I'm going to code it with a box. A says A because it's a short vowel. CK says K. So I'm going to code it with a box. It's our digraph. The C is silent in this word. All right, so even though a digraph is when two letters come together and make one sound, it can come at the beginning or at the end. In this case, we have both. So let's go ahead and sound out our word. Ready? W, A, K, w, A, K, whack. Even though this word has 5 letters, we only heard 3 sounds because our digraph WH came together and it made one sound. W. A says A, CK says K, w, A, K. The word is whack. Awesome job. Thank you so much for coding words with me tonight, and I hope that you guys have an awesome week this week. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.